no hands to give it to you. Something is over right hungry. We really need you to come get us because we are almost dead. I have heard you haven't seen our whole movie and we don't like you anymore, but if you get us out of here, we will. We know how much you talk about us, and we know that. We also see that class, and they are a little over the top silly. We were gonna make a 62 because you locked us in here. We are very angry, and we are writing you a letter because that's what I guess you guys have come settled it before I read some more. Okay. I hope you read this to the whole class. We will come hunt you down. You don't want that to happen. We will all be triple PKA, right? And you don't want us to do that. And I am scared of the dark, so the only way to get us out is to open the closet door and say, what a beautiful chocolate milk. In a high-pitched voice. Then, we're also in a high-pitched, call a band. Not that hard. That's probably not going to happen. We're just putting it in forever. This is a school-appropriate letter, so you can read it. You better be glad I didn't send you a message of what I am really thinking. If you don't come and get us out by 12:31 p.m., I will have a BF. I best advise you, is that what the word is? I best advise you to get us out right now. I'm sorry you can only get us out because you are the one who put hot lava to lock us in here. So that's why maybe you should think next time. And to thank us, we would like you to dress up like us and run around Graceville, Clinton, and Beardsley on Halloween while saying beautiful just like we say it in the movie. I know you are probably scared to come get us now after we wrote you this letter, but we are no harm unless you look at us the wrong way. Then we will all go all black mama on you.